If your water heater smells or looks dirty inside, act fast to protect efficiency and your water quality. Start by turning off power to the unit at the breaker for electric or setting the gas control to pilot for gas. Then close the cold water supply valve and let the tank cool for at least 1 hour. Attach a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the tank, run the hose to a floor drain or outside, and open a hot water tap in the house to break vacuum. Open the drain valve and let several gallons run until water clears. Then briefly open the cold supply for short bursts to stir and flush sediment until it runs clean. For a deeper clean, close the drain, fill the tank halfway, add plain white vinegar equal to about 1 gallon for a 50-gallon tank, let it sit for 1 to 2 hours, then flush thoroughly until the vinegar smell is gone. While flushing, remove and clean the cold water inlet screen if present, and gently clean the drain valve opening with a plastic zip tie to dislodge grit. Inspect the anode rod by turning off water, partially draining, unscrewing it from the top, and replacing it if more than half is gone or heavily coated, which helps prevent future rust and odor. 3 common problems tend to trip people up. They drain only a few gallons and stop, which leaves the heavy sediment layer behind. Keep flushing in short on and off bursts until the flow is fully clear and consistent. They ignore the rotten egg odor caused by bacteria reacting with the anode rod. Switch to an aluminum zinc anode and heat the water to about 140 degrees for a few hours. Then flush and return to your normal setting. They miss signs of severe buildup or internal corrosion like persistent cloudy water, metallic taste, or popping noises. At that point, call a licensed pro to inspect the tank and consider replacement if the lining is compromised. We built big home projects to make it simple to find local water heater pros when the buildup is beyond a routine flush, and to help homeowners compare options for maintenance or replacement. We also help contractors connect with nearby customers, and we host an active discussion community where we all share real maintenance tips and experiences.